Hello everyone, split the top section of the hair into three parts and how it braided in a thicker manner. Do the braiding until you reach the bottom middle part and how it secure with the rubber band and drop the tail into it twice. Do the same on the right side, combine them together on top of the braid with another rubber band. Then combine every hair together with another rubber band making a ponytail and how rubber band top middle part create a loop in the middle one and drop the tail into it and stuff it inside making a bun. Grab the sides of your hair and tie in the middle of the rubber band, and with the remaining section of the hair at the back, split them into two, and how the left section go into the left loop. Do the same on the right section, you know what to do. How it braid in a thicker manner. Do the braiding and how the end secure the rubber band, and roll it inwards and how it in place by dropping little hairpin. Save the side sections of the hair for later. With the section of the hair at the back, make a ponytail, have a rubber band, dash top middle part, curl up in the middle one, drop the tail into it, make it as a bun, move the bun to the top, and do the right section braided and how it the same way as we did before for the left section. Go for saving the side sections of the hair for later with the section of the hair at the back and how rubber band attach to top middle part and create a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it and attach the tail to the last loop of the rubber band making as a bun. Move the bun to the top and have it in place by dropping little hairpin. Then grab the left section of the hair, comb it and split them into two parts and how it braid in a thinner manner. So make the braid go across the bun we created and make it sit on top and have it underneath the bun. Do the same vice versa on the right braid as well. And after that decorate with your lovely hair clutcher. Grab a few strands of hair from the left side and split them into three parts and have it braided until the midway. Do the same braiding on the right side with the section of the hair at the back, split them into two parts and have it combed a little bit and drop the left section into the right and vice versa on the opposite side. Then with the remaining tails we have, you know what to do. Start braiding it in a thicker manner until you reach the bottom part. Then roll the braid to the top, how it as the bun and make it in place by dropping little hairpin on either side. Then drop in your favorite hairpin collection. Make a little bunch on the top section of the hair, split the tail into two and have it braided in a thinner manner. Do the same braiding on the right side, combine them together with a strip of hair, drop it inside to get a favorite twisted pan. Then with the remaining section of the hair, split them along with the braid into two parts and have a ponytail and drop in your very pretty hair clutcher on top of the rubber bands. Make a bunch in the top section of the hair and grab the sides of the hair right below it and tie with the rubber band. Do it twice. Have a bunch on the top section of the hair and have a rubber band attach the middle part of it. Then bring the back section of the hair to the front and attach a rubber band to it. Then do it one more time and have a bulbous design by pinching them out. And after that, drop in your favorite hairpin in between the rubber band, covering it up. Grab the top section of the hair, split them into three parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. So once when you do the braiding, pinch out the hair at the sides. Then after that, secure the end with the rubber band. Then grab the sides of your hair from the front and tie it over the braid with another rubber band. Then grab another section of the hair right below the first one and have it tied in the same way. Then drop it inside to get a favorite twisted band and drop it inside one more time in the first loop we created. Grab the sides of your hair at the left and have it tied with the rubber band. Create a gap using your finger, drop the tail into it, and attach it to a section of the hair at the right side with the rubber band. The section of the hair at the back, split them into two parts and have the left section braided in a thicker manner. Do the same braiding until you reach the bottom and have the middle tail as well braided. And also do the same braiding on the right section as well. Drop the left braid into its own loop and do the middle one into the middle side and also the third one into the right loop. Thank you everyone for watching this video.